guys, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lolita and I make all Cuban dishes here, and today we're going to be making a classic dish called Carne con papa, which is a beef stew. And if you've never had it, I hope you guys try this recipe. Hola mis cariños, me llamo Lolita, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Cocino recetas cubanas aquí en mi canal y hoy les voy a enseñar cómo hacer un rico plato, se llama carne con papa, estilo cubano. Ok, comenzamos con una libra de carne de res, 2 tazas de naranja agria, pimientos, cebolla, ajo, salsa de tomate, aceite, especia seca, hoja de laurel, comino, orégano, sazón completo, sal y pimienta, vino seco, agua y harina. Al final del video voy a poner todos los ingredientes, ¿ok? Okay, so I'm getting ready to marinate the meat overnight, but if you don't have time, you can marinate the meat for about 6 hours, 6 to 12 hours. And I'm using naranja agria, which is sour orange juice. And you can find that the fresh kind in the fruit stand. And if you can't find it there, you can find the bottled one in the supermarket. Ok, voy a marinar la carne 6 horas, pero es mucho mejor para marinar la carne toda la noche. So now you want to dice up your vegetables so that you can make the sofrito. And that's the sauce that the beef is going to cook in. Ahora voy a picar los vegetales para el sofrito. Okay, so our beef is ready, and I'm going to remove it from the marinade. I'm going to pat dry it and get ready to start frying it up. So now I'm going to start seasoning the meat. I'm going to be adding garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, oregano, and sazon. And I make my own homemade sazon and sazon completo. If you're interested in seeing how I make my dry seasoning, I'll leave a link below. Ok, voy a sazonar la carne. Le puse ajo en polvo, cebolla en polvo, comino, orégano y sazón con achote casera. Hago mi propio condimento seco, sazón completo. Si quiere ver cómo lo hice, dejaré un enlace abajo. Voy a poner harina para cubrir toda la carne para que selar la carne antes de cocinarla. Now we're ready to start frying our beef. I added a little bit of olive oil to the pan. You can use whatever oil you want to, but I'm using olive oil. Once your meat is browned, then you want to remove it from the pot, and you want to start making your sofrito. So you're going to start frying up your peppers, your onions, and your garlic. Those are the 3 things that comprise of the sofrito. And sofrito is a base to all of Cuban and Spanish cooking. Una vez que la carne esté dorado, quítala de la olla y comienza a hacer el sofrito. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of oil to the pot so that I can start frying up our vegetables. Ahora voy a poner un chorrito de aceite para sofreír los pimientos, cebolla y ajo. After your vegetables are soft, which should be about 5 minutes, add in your tomato sauce. Después 5 minutos más o menos, añadimos salsa de tomate. Now I'm going to add in my dry seasoning, and I'll list all the ingredients at the end of the video. Ahora estoy agregando las especias secas. Now I'm going to add in the meat, and I'm going to mix the sofrito with the meat, and then once it's covered, then I'm going to add in the wine and the water. Ahora voy a agregar la carne a la olla, Y voy a mezclar el sofrito con la carne para cubrir toda la carne. Now I'm going to add in the olives. Ahora voy a agregar las aceitunas. Now I'm adding a half a cup of wine, and you can use whatever type of wine you have at home. It's better to use drinking wine as opposed to cooking wine because it has a lot of salt in cooking wine. I'm also adding in water to this pot, and I'm going to let this cook down until our beef is tender. Okay, en esta olla le puse vino seco y agua. Vino para cocinar lleva mucha sal, por eso estoy usando vino para beber. Y ahora voy a chequear la carne si está tierna. Como pueden ver, está tierna y muy jugosa. Ahora que la carne está tierna, voy a agregar las papas. Once the meat is tender, then you want to add your potatoes. Ahora voy a cocinar las papas unos 15 minutos más o menos y deben estar blandas. Now our carne con papa is ready and the gravy is nice and thick as you can see, and you can serve this with white rice or you can eat it with bread or you can eat it alone. Ahora está lista, como pueden ver, la salsa está espesa y las papas y la carne están tiernas. Puedes comer con arroz, pan o sola. Okay, so now we're going to see how it tastes. Ahora voy a probarlo. Este plato es divino. La carne es tierna, muy jugosa, suavecita, perfecta. My carne con papas came out great. Normally, I cook it in a pressure cooker, but it took 2 hours to make in a regular pot. Everything was tender. Well, guys, it's about that time. It's time for me to go. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you want to see more Cuban recipes, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I'm uploading new videos. Also, you can follow me on Facebook in my Facebook group called Cooking the Cuban Way. I post a lot of recipes there.